The weather is really hot today. Feels just right to enjoy something fresh and sweet. Today, we're making Es Pisang Hijau, an Indonesian dessert drink that's refreshing, beautiful, delicious, and also perfect as a business idea. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, save, and try to recreate this recipe. Let's check out the ingredients. To make Es Pisang Hijau, we need 3 components. First, the pisang hijau itself. Second, the custard. And third, the sago pearls. For the first step, let's make the green wrapper dough. Use all-purpose flour, then add sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix, then add water. Once everything is well combined and smooth with no lumps, add melted margarine and pandan paste for the green color. Mix until evenly blended. After that, strain the batter to make sure there are no lumps, so the texture will be smoother. Then cook it over low to medium heat while stirring until it thickens and becomes glossy. Once the dough looks smooth like this, it's ready. Just let it cool before shaping. For the bananas, you can use cardava banana or substitute with saba banana. Now that the dough has cooled, it's ready to be shaped. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin, place the banana in the center, roll it up, and adjust until neat. Repeat until all the bananas and dough are finished. Next, steam the wrapped bananas for about 15 minutes until fully cooked. While waiting for the bananas to cook, let's make the custard. Normally it uses coconut milk, but today we'll replace it with FiberCreme. Mix water, sugar, cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and vanilla powder. Add pandan leaves for extra aroma, then cook until thickened. Now let's heat the mixture. Usually custard is made with coconut milk, but this time we're using FiberCreme. FiberCreme is an all-purpose creamer that's high in fiber, low in sugar, gluten-free, lactose-free, and has 0 milligrams cholesterol. For those who want to cut down on coconut milk, you can easily switch to FiberCreme. Besides being a coconut milk substitute, FiberCreme can also replace dairy milk. Super versatile, right? Now all the components are ready. The custard is done, the pisang hijau is cooked, and the sago pearls are boiled. Time for plating. Add some ice cubes at the bottom, pour the custard, add the sago pearls, and place the pisang hijau on top. It looks so beautiful and instantly refreshing. This recipe is also great as a business idea. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the FiberCreme YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video recipe. Bye!